Do a thin. It's really pigmented. It's really easy. It's not runny. It's not easy to, it's not runny at all. Alright, and then we're gonna flash key, wanna key it for 60 seconds each layer. Cool. And going to the next one, I am go ahead and using the teal. Super easy to polish. Perfect for beginner nail techs as well, so you don't have to worry about it's gonna runny anywhere. So beautiful colors. Okay, I love this colors, go with everything. And also is there are the matching colors of the powder as well. And then next one we're gonna do is number 49 banana. Beautiful, and it's perfect. Okay, and next one will be number 1's baby pink. I'm gonna do one coat layers first, and then we're gonna go back and do the second coat. Place it closer.
Wrong one. Well, you can change the sticker.
Oh, did I do it the wrong one?
That's supposed to be your 19, right?
This is the baby pink.
This is your number 1.
Okay. We change this one shortly. Oh, it's supposed to be a baby blue. So light nude. This color is absolutely perfect and so beautiful for spring coming. A lot of you are asking for swatching some beautiful colors for spring, and here it is. Okay, here. For each layers is 60 seconds. So I'm gonna do baby blue. Give it a good quick shake. And I'm unloading it like, okay, so next layer I'm gonna show you just in case this beginner nail techs will really interesting and wonder how you can able to polish is nice and easy. Okay, here. All right, so let me start again with the almond milk. We are going to go second coat, so I am gonna go quick. So with beginner nail tech, or for a lot of nail lovers, you just wonder like why it's hard to do the gel polish is nice and smooth, and it's like avoiding of the streaky. So when you apply the first coat, first layer, don't worry about a perfection. Just load it enough of the gel polish and applies it on. It doesn't have to be perfect as the first coat, because the more you going and messing up with this, it's gonna be harder and it create a lot of bubbles and air pockets in there. So all you need to do when the second coat, you're gonna do, shake the bottle so well, and then you're going to submerging your bristle back in here, and then you're gonna wipe it up on one end. One side of your bristle, it needs to be completely clear of the gel polish as much as possible, and then on the other side you are going to load it with cover anchor beads. So now it's depend on the longer nails or shorter nails. That's how it's going to decide how much of the gel polish you are going to pick it up. For instance, if you have a shorter nails, you don't want to load it so much of the gel polish. It's going to be avoiding of, doesn't matter if it's really good pigment and consistency, you don't want to have a lot of gel polish. It's more than it's supposed to. With this swatch, it's a long nails, like it's about a double size of my nails, so then I load a little bit more of a gel polish. So only you need to do is wipe up on one end and then leave it the part of the gel polish, and you're getting closer. Place it's like about just a hair away from your cuticles, and then you're gonna perfect your cuticles. This is a second coat, and then you go ahead and using the anti the bristle, which is flatten your bristle like I have parallels with this, and then make sure it stay on the top. Your bristle needs to be on the top. It should be on the top of the gel polish, and I keep it flat. You see that I'm gonna turn on the sides and then show you. This is also really important too, because you don't want to be too thick. Also, you don't want to be too thin. It's not going to be enough and smooth for you. Too thick is not going to cure your gel polish properly. It's going to make it wrinkles and had a lot of issues, as it's not able to cure and it's still wet in the middle, and it's going to able to make the possible for the gel polish to be peeling off in like 1 day, or if the clients start doing the normal activity and wash your hand, it's going to be not curing between. So now we all go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. So it looks really simple. It's really easy to polish, which is absolutely, but then just need to know a little bit of tip and trick. And also it's really depend. This is one of the techniques. There's 1,000 of different way techniques. You will get hang of it in a couple times when you're doing it, and find out which way it works the best for you according for your clientele. Also is your clientele, and also in the length of the nails as well. So there's no right way or wrong way to doing the gel polish. You just find which way it works the best for you, and then you put a special niche in it. Okay, so same thing with the second colors. It's just teal. So I always apply this one like stroke right in the middle first to release a lot of the gel polish. So then just in case that it is need to self level itself, it's not going to running into the sidewall or to the cuticle area. And then from there, you are going to keep your bristle nice and flat. And keep continue when you polish, keep continue to paint polishes all the way off from the edges. Don't stop. When you stop at the edges, that's how it's going to deposit a lot of more gel polish in there, and it's going to make its big lumps and after you cure it. So you want to getting completely still continue to apply your gels, your bristle, until you completely get all of the gel polish blending it. All right, so banana, next one. Again, wipe it off. It looks really similar, like for a lot of nail techs. For a lot of nail tech, being a nail techs for many years, it's probably just really simple for you already. But then also, I do have a lot of nail tech who've been doing it for many years, and then have a question that why is my gel polish is really thick on the free edges here, just because when you're doing it, do me a favor, keep applying it and brush, and keep your bristle flat and stay on the top of the gel polish, and then let it blend and smooth it to the end of the edges. Instead of you stop right here, keep moving your bristle, so then that way you're gonna blend really nice, avoiding of a lot of extra of gel polish right on the edges right there. So here again for 60 seconds. Second coat of baby pink. I think I swatched the first. I put the I grabbed the wrong one with the label baby blue, but this is actually baby pink, obviously. And as you can see, the glitz gel polish is not runny at all. the consistency is beautiful. And also, if you are doing your short nails, for the clients have a little bit shorter nails, you are going to load probably a little bit less of a gel polish. Okay. Here for 60 seconds. Says this is such a beautiful, like a 6 colors for your spring and Easter color you could thinking of. Nice, soft. All right, keep continue. Okay. Cool. Go ahead and cure. And then, oh, this one is you touching. Probably we're touching the other one. Who was next to the other, touching on the other nails. Be careful. I put them right next to the other one. So the number 19 light nude is one of my favorite, both in the gel polish and also in the liquid and powder. Perfect for ombre. Okay. The clients, if you have a client who is like in the office working, just love this color's nice soft look. Not too dark, not too light, not too much. Here for 60 seconds.